The debt collector who sued me just sent me a check for $3,000. I know that sounds completely backwards, but stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this happened. And make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special discount on the tool that made this possible. Here's what most people don't realize about debt collection lawsuits. When you get served with papers, you have about 20 to 30 days to respond. But here's the kicker: 90% of people do absolutely nothing. They either ignore it, thinking it'll go away, or they're so overwhelmed they freeze up. And when you don't respond, you automatically lose. The court gives the debt collector everything they asked for, plus interest, plus fees. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? That's where SoloSuit comes in. It's basically like having a lawyer in your pocket, but without the massive legal fees. This platform walks you through creating a proper legal response to any debt collection lawsuit. We're talking step-by-step guidance that turns regular people into consumer warriors. And here's where it gets really interesting. Once you respond properly, you're in a position to negotiate. That's where SoloSettle comes in. It's like a digital marketplace where you can actually settle your debt for way less than what they're claiming you owe. We're talking settlements that happen in under 14 days, sometimes in just 3 to 4 days. The numbers are pretty incredible. Over 230,000 people have used this platform to handle more than $1.5 billion in debt. And remember that check I mentioned? That happened because I knew how to respond properly and negotiate from a position of strength instead of fear. So if you're dealing with a debt collection lawsuit or you know someone who is, don't let them become another statistic. Click that link in the description below to get your discount and start fighting back. Because sometimes the best defense is a good offense.